Class 7 Computer. Hello students, this is our fourth video session class. Let's continue chapter number 1. So in the last video session we have done about formula and arithmetic operators in Excel, and we have also done how to write a formula, the hierarchy of mathematical operators in Excel, and we also done how to write a formula in Excel. Now in this video class I will show you practically how to do calculation based on arithmetic formula and how to write a formula in Excel. So now let's open Excel. Now here go to the start button and go to all apps or all programs. After this you go for the Microsoft Office here. In Microsoft Office package you will find Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Now in the book it is given as 2010 and we are doing it here in 2007. Okay, so let's open Microsoft Office Excel 2007 here. After this let's maximize it. Now let's see. Now this is our Excel worksheet. Now first let's see how to do arithmetic calculations. So let's take an example. I told you these boxes are called cell. Okay, now I'll give an example and let's see the arithmetic of calculations in Excel. Now here suppose if I give here 3 and if I give here number 7. Now if you want to add these 3 and 7 and bring the answer in the cell D2. Now here click here and you can write here the formula like this. Now you, for writing the formula you have to write equal to first. Now write equal to here. Now after writing equal to here you have to add these two numbers 3 and 7. Now you can write 3 here and you write plus here from the keyboard and you write 7 here and you can press. After this you can press enter. Now the answer come here. The answer is 10. Now in this way also you can do it, but the better way is how you have to do it. Don't write the cell contents. 3 and 7 are called cell contents. So instead of writing the cell contents you write the cell address. I'll tell you how. Instead of writing so, now another method is click here. You bring the answer here. How you will going to add 3 and 7 and bring the answer in the cell E2 here. So now here we have done using the cell content. Now here we'll do by using the cell address. Now write equal to here and now 3 is in which cell? B2 here. So you write B2. You can write in capital B2. And after this you can write plus here and you write C2. 7 is in C2 cell. So a C, yes, C2. C2 here. Now you press enter here. Now the answer is same. Here also it gives the same answer. Here also it gives the same answer. So instead of writing using the cell content, you write using the cell address. Because if you use cell content, the answer may be same, but we cannot use autofill handle afterwards. Autofill handle season of cell contains 3 equal to 3 plus 7 hay 10 adum pi answer. Sida ju chap manana koina magi cell address haibadi kaino 3 na lay mafam ji B2 ni 7 na lay mafam ji C2 ni sida koina cell address sina cell address ko ay mafam je cell ming je hapaga pi je. The answer di chap manai, but akoina hayeng mayam ama plus tor ke hairagadi sida koina cell address season of now with the kana by hengane. Suppose the example in a piko say the 4 ama piro, say the 5 piro, suppose say the 23 32 hero and here some 67 then 78 say the 50 hero suppose. Chalay singji Siga sida laiba masingsi sida akoina suppose input 1 hairaseba sidana input 2 hairaseba sidana result neba sidasu sina cell address sidana bduni sisina koi result ke muta ke hai sida sum hairasa sum torga tarakaduni here when is the autofill handle sidana when you use the autofill handle here now you bring the pointer to the dark square box here like this. Now the pointer changes to dark plus. Sida click toraga kunya sida autofill handle sijano enhan high grabni sida click toraga sumain chingo matamda. Now the answers are all same. 10 like you don't say 3 plus 7 10 do 10 10 10 10 loy lakhaneba. But if you use the cell address ngai cell address so sijanaga b2 plus c2 sijanaga di ina sida autofill handle sijanaga chingo matamda automatically sida b3 c3 on gre si mapasana b4 c4 on gre si mapasana b5 c5 on gre sumaina akoina kari tobni cell address sijana basina koida khudong chabe hele so we can conclude that we better use cell addressing instead of using cell contains sijana babudi cell address sijana basina hena fai kaina koi autofill handle sijana ga sigumba mayam ama input mayam plus tawge haragadi si chingjanba matamda akoida khudong chade yuna koina cell contains sijana babudi cell address sijana bisna khudong chabe heli koina mayam ama tinjilake hem matamda sum formula do sum inabai muhuta cell address sijana ragadi seda autofill handle sijana raga loina mag add to yai likewise akoina smaina plus ki toriba addition ki toris maina subtraction ki ju subtraction ki ju suppose if I give here some 10 and if I give here suppose 6 and 10 minus 6 and you will find the answer here 10 minus 6 now we'll go here and write here equal to and now cell now 10 number 10 is in which cell is in B7 so you write here B7 here and write minus sign here and 6 number 6 is in C7 so you write C7 here and press enter and the result is 10 minus 6 is the result is 4 so minus to get here when you say that answer ta haningi mapa da box da click to birani sta answer ta haningi haragadi equal to thamaga B7 minus C7 kaya koina sida cell address sijana raga tawragadi suppose if we give here 100 200 300 and we give here 10 20 and 30 selaibusingi sida hana koina equal to B7 minus C7 p grabanina now you can use the formula has been written here so you can use directly autofill handle just left click on the mouse hold and drag then release it now it has been automatically filled the answer has been automatically filled here answer ji automatically asa matomda dum fill to grane maina koina autofill handle sijana matamda 100 minus 10 is 90 200 minus 20 is 180 300 minus 30 is 270 like this now you can see here also B7 B8 minus C8 now here also B9 minus C9 and here B10 minus C10 automatically filled the so it's better to use cell address instead of using cell contains likewise sisina koina minus kini koina sina multiplication ki torase now we'll use the same contain here sigi input se dum sijana raga sigi answer je sida putho eng khala je suppose now how to do it now you click here sida click toragadi the answer will be displayed here If you click here in this box, the answer will be displayed here. If you click somewhere here, now the answer will be displayed here. So you better click here. Let's see the answer here, the product. Now let's see the product. Suppose you write here product. Product. The product of 10 and 6 will be displayed here. Now how will you write? You click on the formula bar here. Now you click equal to, then C7, you write asterisk. Sigi asterisk is we use asterisk for multiplication. C7 should be not, it should not be C7, it should be B7 first. B7 into C7, and you press enter here. Now the product of 10 and 6 is 60. Now you can use the autofill handle and click like this. Now 10 and 100 is 1000, 220 is 4000, 330 is 9000, like this. It will be automatically filled here. Likewise, you can do for division also. Right here, division. The answer for division you can bring here like this. Write equal to here. In the formula bar, you should write equal to first. For writing a formula, equal to is a must. You should write equal to first. Okay, equal to, you write equal to here. Then you write B7. Now the sign for division is / I told you before in the last video class. B7 slash C7. Now B7 is a dividend and C7 is a divisor. B7 divided by C7. Now you press enter here. Now the answer is 10 divided by 6 is 1.6667, like this. Now you can break like this. Now 10 divided by 100 is 10. Now this is correct. 20 divided by 200 is 10. 30 divided by 300 is 300 divided by 30. I mean 100 divided by 10 is 10. 200 divided by 20 di 10 tarani. 300 divided by 30 di tarani 10 tarani. Minus division issue. Now we can use for exponent. Exponent gina kamay to hai na. Now we use a caret sign. It's a little bit different. No, listen carefully. Now caret sign is 2. Suppose you write here 2, and you have to write caret. Now you suppose you write here 3, like this. If you want the answer to be displayed here, you write equal to here, equal to, you write 2 here, and after this you write caret sign. Now this is known as a caret sign. Look carefully, this is known as a caret sign. Since nekonya exponent is 2 caret. Now you write here 3. Now this means that 2 to the power or 2 raised to 3. That means 2 cube. 2 to the power 3 hai ni hai di 2 cube hai bani si ko. Konya the caret is a caret ki after whatever number we are writing after the caret sign is the exponent, and before the caret sign is the base. Si mamang na is na base ko we. Si 2 is the power 3 hapo have ne 2 cube have ni hai 2 raised to 3 have. Now you press enter here. Now 2 cube is 8. Now the answer is correct here. Now you can write some numbers also, 3 and 3 square. Now the answer 3 square. Now let's see, 4 to the power 4 to the power, you write here 4 like this. 5 to the power 2 here. After this we have written the formula here, so you can just bring the autofill handle here and you can drag here like this. Now it should come the answer here. Oh, you are writing here. Now see, here instead of coming the right answer, now the first one is correct, but second, third and fourth is incorrect. Why? Because we are using here cell contents, not the cell address. Sida akoina cell contents sijane adugi sida laiba 8 che dum copy to ragala ine kagino hagadi akoina suppose my 9 iraga simple 9 number ami iraga akoina autofill handle file sijana chingma tamda 9 je dum copy to lakane. I'll delete this again. Aduna akoina sida cell contents ibagine ba sida 8 and laije. So you change this to 2 is in which cell? C13. You write C13 here. C13 and 3 is in which cell? D13. You write D13 here and you press enter here. Now the answer is same here. Answer is the same. Autofill handle. Now here comes the answer. 3 square D 9. 4 to the power or 4 raised to 4 D 256. Now 5 square D 25. Now all the answers are correct. Now before it was wrong because the number 8 was copied in all the cells here. 8 cell and cell da copy to 8 cells da copy to whenever. That time we are using here cell contents cell address cell contents langani aduna cell address okay. Always time we should use cell address, not the cell contents. Cell address autofill handle we do here addition. Now here is subtraction. Now here is the product. Here is the division. Here is the exponent. We have to now let's see how to use BEDMAS. In mathematics, we use a mathematics rule called BODMAS. That is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. There is a rule in mathematics known as BODMAS. Likewise, in Excel we have BEDMAS. That is, now I'll write here BEDMAS. BEDMAS. That is bracket first, then exponent, then after that division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now I told you in the last class about this. Now first while calculating an arithmetic expression, while solving an arithmetic expression, we have to do from the left to the right. Now first we will solve the bracket hand togani, next the exponent togani, mathang the division, next is multiplication. Division and multiplication are of same priority. Habadi karamana hana togni habadu chap mane bawani priority je aduduna babani say from it will see from the one which we see first from the left to right. Left agi right to lakpa matamda hana akoina badu we will evaluate from left to right. Okay. Division and multiplication have the same priority and addition and subtraction have the same priority. Aduna akoina karam han togani ha kanda left from the right from the left from the hana badu do han togani ha gre. BEDMAS will use this BEDMAS rule in Excel. Now how will you do it? Let's see. Now just click here and in the formula bar you write equal to. Now an example is given in your book. You can see from the book. Now you write bracket here, then you write 45. You write here plus, then 2, then close the bracket, first bracket. Then you write asterisk, that is multiplication, and you write 5 here and then press enter. Now the answer is 235. Okay, because 45 plus 2 will solve this, will calculate this, will evaluate this 45 plus 2 first. That means 47. Then 45 plus 2 is 47 into 5 is 235 like this. Now we'll see without using the bracket here again. Equal to, without using the bracket, 45 plus 2. Then you write asterisk, that is star, that is multiplication sign. Then you write 5 here. Now the numbers are same here. Numbers here and here is same. Now the answer is 55 here. See, 45 plus 2 into 5. Here also 45 plus 2 into 5. Here the difference is we will calculate the brackets. Then bracket hana tauganeba. Then 45 plus 2 ka 47 tare. 47 plus 47 into 5 ti tare 235 tare. Sidadi bed mass season arakanda higher priority si karamba oy multiplication oy. Aduna 2 into 5 se hana calculate will evaluate this 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Then 10 plus 45 is the answer is 55 here. Now here the highest priority has bracket has the highest priority, so we'll calculate this bracket first. That is 45 plus 2 is 47. After that 47 into 5 is now I have clicked somewhere else. Now copy this and right here. I'll put the bracket here as before and minus the bracket option BMG and nakanaman begini hujikidu press enter here 235 times minus. Duna sidana bracket na priority 1 manina bracket han torani duga sa multiplication sign la sidana konya bracket yaudabani 45 ka 2 ga se hana plus tawna roi siga highest priority si sigi into je oibani na koina 2 into 5 to 10 tare 10 ga 5 ka toga kya tare 45 plus 10 is 55 tare answer smaila kada hani ko this is using the bed mass season aragana smaina to we koina han yeng matamda formula se kamaina i si formula bar da i formula bar da ngakani i diba koina se i ma'am si formula bar da ngakani koina sai digi i se da koina sida click toraga se formula bar da amuk click tawdrasu. If you simply click somewhere in any cell here, and if you simply write suppose 2 plus 5 like this, so mine toraga yengaga sida enter furasu. Now 2 click here 2 plus 5 se koina si cell se click toraga instead of clicking here again in the formula bar, it will display in the formula bar automatically. Here also if you write here 9 you write equal to here, then you write 9 and into you post write 5 here, so the e it will display on the formula bar automatically, no need for clicking here again. Okay, you press enter here. Understood? Now this is where we have done in the last class. Now I am showing here practically in this video class. I'm showing you practically sa any practical when takpani hana mamangda noida theory waina aina nahan mangi class ta haigrabani ado hujikna practical when takpani sa taiji formula kamaina ini formula bar silai aduga sina addition kamain seasonai, subtraction na kamain seasonai, now na product na kamain si tawi, division kamain tawi, then what we call here exponent na kamain tawi, the bed mass rule kamain seasonai, koina maths ta board mass season na maina excel da su bed mass rule seasonai, the bed mass rule do kamain seasonai, my priority do kai no bed mass hidi bracket na will evaluate bracket first, then exponent, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, and it will be evaluated from left to right order. When you oirom dagi horaga yelom lochangani bracket na hana exponent matang division matang multiplication matang addition and matang subtraction. Si sini koina mamangi class ta theory class ina theory oina practical high ki badu no practical ina high na high ki badu sigi sini. Now for today let's stop here. Okay, in the next class I'll explain about the function in Excel. Like formula, we can use functions also. We function khara julai ba built-in library masa matonda Excel da yaujaba. Okay, adugi function in Excel. I'll tell you about function in Excel and how to do and what are the function in Excel. Function say Excel ki function si kamaina igani aduga function sing kari function lay Excel da adi built-in library hadi masagi sayda Excel da yaujab kari no have do. I'll tell you in the next video class. Theoretically as well as practically I'll tell you. Okay students, for now let's stop here. So stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.